Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add more icons in your Divi WordPress website. Let's log in into our website, and after that let's go to dashboard. Now we can install a new plugin. You can search plugin name Divi icons, and after that here you can install. Here you can see 660 new icons will be added in Divi icon module. So just install this plugin, and after that activate this plugin. Now let's go to pages, and you can edit any of the page. So let's edit home page. Click enable field builder. So Divi has its own page builder that is same like Elementor page builder. You can design anything, and let's add a new module. Click here start building. After that add a new section. Now here you can search icon, and after that click here. Now here you can see keep scrolling down. So these are new icons that are added with that plugin. So now you can add any of the icons. Just click, and after that here you can see icon is added. Now you can customize and change color and design according to your requirement.